Hi students, in this video we will guide you how to create the tax invoice in Tally ERP9. In our previous videos we guided you how to create the company, how to create different kind of ledgers, how to create inventory items. So now we are in a position to look for the receivable functions. You know that if you are maintaining the account receivable in your company, you need to create the invoice, you need to create the credit note, you also need to update the payment. So step by step, we will guide you what are the things you need to do in order to manage the account receivable function in Tally ERP9. So today we will guide you how to create the invoice. So here you have to go to accounting vouchers. Once you go to accounting vouchers, you will see the list of vouchers on the right side. So you have to select the sales voucher. Here you can give your some reference number, serial number of the invoice automatically coming from the tally. It's up to you if you want to keep your own serial number. There is a setting in the tally. We'll guide you in another video how you can keep that setting. So you can do that setting as well. So in order to make the invoice, what simply you have to do, you will select the customer. Say you have already created the customer. Say assume that ABC Limited is one of the company which is my customer, and I want to know that whether it's a customer or it's my supplier. Since there is a shortcut key when you are within the voucher, you want to do any kind of amendment related to this one. So here we have a shortcut key, Control Enter. Like I'm pressing Control Enter, it will move there. I will show you the window because we want to confirm that whether it's a creditor or it's our debtor. So we will press the Control Enter. Another window will open. And in that window, we can see whether it's a creditor or it's a debtor. See, it's one of our creditors. So in order to create the invoice, what simply you have to do, you have to select the debtor, which should be your customer. So what we can do, let us check here one more time. I will press Control Enter. See, this is our debtor. So we selected the item here. Delivery note number will come first. In case you created the delivery note before, you will select the same delivery note number and all the items will start to show which you selected in the delivery note. So this time we are guiding you without delivery note. So this is the reason. Here you will select end of list, keep on moving. So here we will select the items. Remember in our previous video, we already guided you how to create the inventory items. Say we are selling them basmati rice. Here the quantity say 20. One important thing I want to show you here. We just did it intentionally for your understanding purpose. Say when we are making the entry, you can see it's showing you negative stock. Sometime physically you will have the stock, but system not reconcile. So system will notify you that you don't have the stock for this particular product. So it's mean you need to balance the stock. So later on when we will record the purchase, it will automatically balance. Say 100 you are charging per bag, so the quantity came 2000. Here if you are charging the tax, you will select the VAT. Let me guide you what are the accounts details you need to select for the VAT. You press Control Enter, and here you are selecting duties and taxes. Type of duty you are selecting VAT, and you are saving this one. Correct? So this we got it. So like that, once you will save it, your invoice will generate. Correct? Now I want to view this invoice. How to view this invoice? This invoice I have already created. So here this invoice you will save. So like that invoice will create in the system. You know the shortcut entry Control A. Control A you can use to save the invoice in the system. Thank you very much.